Good morning. What's up, my M2Fers? Yeah, man. Early in the morning. Listen, only I do this stuff for you guys, man. Get up, butt crack of dawn to go film car events and to make content that is entertaining to you. So you know what? If you're not subscribed and you've been watching, do that right now. Come on, man. Show some support. Anyway, you know what we about to do. We in the car early in the morning, driving out somewhere, so you know we about to go to something car related. Let's get to it. Let's go. So right now we're on our way out to Long Island because we're going to Captree, or as my boy Liquid Lens will tell it, that's another YouTube channel that show like beauty movies and all that. He calls it car worship, where every Sunday there's some big car event going on that he films and he calls it car worship. So that's where we going to right now. The spot where one of his favorite spots to film. But there's always really cool cars there, man. From old schools to new schools to muscle to Euro to exotic. It's always a very diverse group of cars. So we gonna go check that out. I'm gonna show y'all some of the beautiful cars that's usually there. And you never know, we might get into a little bit of trouble. But if we do, that's gonna be in the next video, not in this one. Anyway, guys, come on, man. I'll see you at it. And here's what it looked like when we pulled in the lot right now. This car is clean AF. It is like clean AF. Man, you don't really see S14s in really good condition. First of all, they're hard to find in the first place. And then if you do find one, it's not nice like this. So this is a real treat. Dude is, of course, he's boosted. Big brake from a 370Z track pack. The car's been with him for 17 years. So it makes a lot of sense why it's this clean. All right, so rolling up on two C5s right now. These cars right here, man, are so timeless to me. And these guys are twinning. I think they're like father and son or something. But as you can see, the difference, pop up, no pop up. But they have similar carbon fiber front lips, side skirts. This one is on some nice wheels, drag tires, custom seats, manual transmission. Still love this Caravaggio rear wing. Man, I gotta get my C5 back running again, man. Jesus, I miss my car. Looking at these two cars together makes me miss my C5. I can't wait to bring out Project Humble Pie for y'all and start building it so that I could be out running around in my C5 again. There's just so much value for dollar, fellas. I think that's what I like about it so much. Like, look at this thing. These cars, the one on the left, I know for sure is a 01. Look at it. I'm sorry, what'd you say? What was that? I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I just said it's a beautiful car.
Yeah, you didn't just say that. What's up, man? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Stephen, nice to meet you, man.
Listen, you're all over the place.
What you driving today?
I'm a Porsche guy. Hold up.
Which one?
Right there, I got the black one right there.
Okay.
Right?
997?
Yeah. Wait.
997S.
Right.
I see the wheels.
No.
Oh, you got the S wheels.
No, yeah, S wheels with the calipers, but it's just the regular standard one.
Okay, manual or auto?
Always manual.
Hey. Ooh, that's straight pipe. Damn. All right, let's hear it. One more. Yup, you're on the edge of your seat, right? That was another one, another great video in this journey of what we've been doing for you guys, of building Mod2Fame, and for you guys, the M2Fers. As a matter of fact, check this merch out right here. This is that new. Got Mod2Fame on the arm, M2Fer on the chest. It's just for you guys. But seriously though, we want to thank you because we hit 60,000 subscribers, 60,000 subs, man, and we're climbing fast. 100,000 by the end of the year. Let's do it. Thank you for jumping in. It's your boy Stephen here from Mod2Fame. The next video is coming up, if not tomorrow, the day after. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification. But until the next one, we out.